Welcome to AJA, where we rate everything that embodies Jamaica. Today, we'll be counting down the top 10 things you experience on a Jamaican bus. Since the inception of the public bus transportation, we've been having somewhat of a rough ride. If you're a regular bus taker or just one timer, then I'm sure you know all too well what I mean.
Tonight, I feel I spend some cash.
If you're neither, then get ready as we unveil our top 10 picks. If you ever take a bus yet, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Number 10. The heartless driver. If you have any bus taking history, then most likely a bus would have left you in the dust. Sometimes the bus is full enough for true, and really and truly the bus can't take no more. But you see them time there when the bus empty and space a dash way, and you're there at the bus stop and you say, yes, a bus. You stretch out your hand and you just hear the driver go there say, them want take bus. Bus what?
Left some of them out wait at the bus stop.
Number 9. The raining bus.
There are now complaints of leaking buses being used to transport commuters.
Now over time, some of these buses were magically equipped with holes in the roof of that same grey material. Now you see with those holes, when it rains, it pours in the bus. These holes are often kind enough to allow rain to wash the floors of the bus and give the passengers a feel of the showers of blessings. In the event you wish not to participate in these bus showers, a raincoat or an umbrella is strongly recommended. Can you imagine getting involuntary showers while being transported? Wonderful, right? Number 8. The bus sleep. We can agree that one of the best sleep you could ever get in life is on a bus. No matter which position, whether you sit down, sleep and rock, or stand up, sleep and rock, you just know it's the best sleep ever. And because not even mango can sweet like the sleep on a bus, we end up miss with stop. Then instead of coming off at Clarendon, you reach Mandeville. And if you don't have the fear, then the 10-toe turbo go bring you back to your destination. Number 7. Food sales engineer on the bus. Now what we need to understand about the Jamaican bus experience is that it is a very multifaceted one. As such, on the bus you have engineers who specialize in food sales, more commonly known as vendors. Now 2 things are important to note about them. 1, they believe in putting customers first, so much so that through extensive force, them first go push and board the bus before everybody else to ensure that when the customers come, they're ready to serve them. And secondly, there's a wide variety of these engineers. You can find them in all shapes and sizes. You have nuts man, juice man, peanut cake man, patty man, snack man, sweetie man, Guinness man, bag juice man. You name it, we have it. Number 6. The great exchange of words. One common experience on the bus is a vibrant exchange of words. With so much people from all walks of life on one transport, you're bound to have lively interaction. Passenger across passenger, doctor across passenger, passenger and driver across, schoolers and adult catch up, whoever it is, cussing is a must. And you'll find that these lively interactions can come about because of anything. You step on a man toe, you lean a somebody back too hard when you go down in the bus. Somebody not in the best mood this morning and just decide to take it all out on you. What to do? But to cuss them back and go through.
I'm a Christian, but them have a Christian cause.
Number 5. Faith sales engineers on the bus. Now you know if you miss the preaching on a Saturday or a Sunday, then you're most likely bound to catch it in the week. And this is all due to our faith sales engineers coming with the message. And we know the format so well.
Running, and they are saved. Proverbs 18 verse 6. Worship Jesus.
Now in the message, we as bus takers cannot forget the usual prompting of the crowd.
Praise the Lord. The Lord is my light and my what? Salvation. Whom shall I what? Yeah. And the Lord is strength of what? My life.
And last but not least, you have the infamous collection of the offering, Whether it's for building a church, or to continue the Lord's work preaching on the buses, or buying a mic for some voice problem, offering will 99.99999% of the times be collected.
You know I'm not preaching scripture.
Sir, I study theology. I'm a theologian. You're not telling me crap.
Your mind feels that you are theologian.
Number 4. The sometime-ish buzzer. With the advent of the buzzer on the bus, you think yes, convenience at your fingertips, and no more bawling out, "Driver, one stop!" But a trick will get tricked, cause more while the buzzer decides it just nah work. Sometimes it decide, alright, me will light up sooner, but me nah make no nice. Other times the press it like kingdom come, and iron ya iron, and you no get no light, no sound. And if you're anything like me, now you go contemplate over ball out, bus stop driver. Number 3. The water bending air conditioner. Now I remember when I heard that AC was going to be on the bus. I said, greener pastures. Can roll in a style now. Gone are the days when bus hotter than 10 fireside. But oh, I was in for a treat. I could never predict the hidden features of the AC that would come next. Sometimes the AC goes on vacation. Sometimes the AC goes into a function called blow beer at breeze. Other times the AC goes into another function called wet them up, or more commonly known as leaking. And when AC leak, it leak both cause it leak and it take about 5 seats. Some persons set the wet up, other persons get up.
Now that was some water bending.
Number 2. The jam-packed bus. You know already when a peak hours, bus a go pack. Like how sardine lay down in a tin and just so the bus a go pack. If you no get squeezed up, your toe a get step on. And if your toe nah get step on, people bag a bounce you. And if them bag and pan nah bounce you, then them a curse you because of you a do all of the above. And there is really only one rule that govern the backing up of a bus, And that is when the bus full, you carry more people. You could have ball out, "Driver, you see the bus full." Till you can't ball out no more. We have to carry more people. And number 1 goes to when push comes to shove.
To embark on the bus during peak hours, one must master the special art that has been passed down from generations to generations. This technique, which requires strength, strategy, and enough squeeze up, is infamously called...
Drum roll, please.
Almighty push.
Big and small, slim and tall, schoolers and adults overall. If you want to sit down in the bus, you can't stush, for all and sundry got to push. Not even mother in a labor push like how people push we go in the bus them, me I tell you. You see, in that moment, getting a seat is like the greatest commodity. Nothing else no matter. So say a war, Every man for themselves. Survival of the fittest. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Metal Gear Solid. The last great ninja war.
Almighty push.
And we've come to the end of our list. Do you agree with our list? What other bus experiences have you had over the years in taking bus in Jamaica? Well, sound off in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and to subscribe. Thank you for watching.